Good morning everyone. Welcome again in this physics class of force. Firstly we will discuss about syllabus. Number 1, turning force, concept, moment of force, force in equilibrium, center of gravity, discussion using simple example and simple numerical problems. Second point, uniform circular motion. Children, we will discuss about force. What is force? Force means push or pull. In physics, a force is any interaction that when unopposed will change the motion of an object. It may be defined as a push or pull which changes or tends to change the state of rest or uniform motion or direction of motion of a body. A force can cause an object with mass to change its velocity, which includes to begin moving from state of rest. That is to accelerate. Another meaning of force is the rate of change of momentum is called as the force. Children, we know that the formula of force F vector equal to dp vector upon dt, where p is equal to mv, where m is constant, v is variable and f is also variable. F and v is the vector quantity. Vector means vector has magnitude as well as direction. Children, force is equal to ma vector. F vector equal to ma vector. If mass m is constant, force is vector quantity, and SI unit of force is Newton. Another meaning of force is the rate of change of momentum is called as the force. It is Newton's second law. Children, unit of force is Newton or kilogram, symbol kilogram force or symbol kgf. 1 kgf equal to g Newton. If g is the acceleration due to gravity at that place, 9.8 meter per second square, average value on the earth's surface. Children, now we will discuss section A, that is moment of force and equilibrium. Children, number 1.1, that is translational and rotational motion. A rigid body, when acted upon a force, can have 2 kinds or motions. Number 1 point, linear translational motion, linear translation, or second, rotational motion. Number 1 point, linear translation motion. Linear translation motion in which all points of a moving body move uniformly in the same line or direction. Translational motion is the motion by which a body shifts from one point in space to another. One example of translation motion is the motion of a bullet fired from the gun. An object has a rectilinear motion when it moves along a straight line. See example 1.1, that's see figure 1.1. Children, this figure, it is a ball, and if force is applied towards the ball, then if direction of force is this, then direction of motion is this direction. It is depend the direction of force. Children, second point, rotational motion. Rotational motion means movement, that is circular motion. It can be defined as a motion of an object around a circular path in a fixed orbit. It can also be defined as the motion of a body in which all of its particles moves in a circular motion with a common angular velocity about a fixed point. For example, the rotation of earth about its axis. Children, see figure number 1.2. Wheel is moving with the help of force. Direction of force is upward direction. That motion of the wheel is clockwise direction. Therefore, pivot means axis, clamp, cotter, etc. And another meaning of pivot, the central point on which something turns or balance or turn to balance on a center point. Similarly, when a force is applied normally on the handle of door, the door begins to rotate about an axis passing through hinge on which the door rests. Okay?